Welcome to the series of lectures on engineering mathematics. I am UV Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Vignan's Foundation for Science Technology Research, Vadlamudi. In our series of lectures, we are discussing Unit 3, in which we are discussing first order, first degree differential equations. So far we have completed variable separable, linear, Bernoulli and homogeneous differential equations. Now we will see the next topic. In the previous class, I already discussed about exact differential equations. So when you call a differential equation is exact, a differential equation is exact if dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. If the given differential equation do not satisfy the necessary and sufficient condition dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x, then the differential equation is said to be non-exact. Now we will see what are non-exact differential equations and how to solve them. Okay? Non-exact differential equation. Let given differential equation is m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Let the given differential equation is written in the form m dx plus n dy equals to 0. What is the necessary and sufficient condition for exactness? Dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. If both of them are equal, then above differential equation is exact. If they are not equal, then given differential equation is non-exact. So how to solve non-exact differential equations? We already seen how to solve differential equation which are in exact form. If the given differential equation is non-exact, how to solve? In such cases, we find a function called integrating factor. After finding the integrating factor, we multiply the given differential equation both sides with the integrating factor. That reduces the non-exact into exact. So then we will solve using exact method. So what is the procedure for solution? So we are converting non-exact into exact. How you are converting non-exact into exact? By multiplying the given differential equation with a function. What we call that function as integrating factor. So to reduce non-exact differential equation into exact, to reduce non-exact differential equation into exact, we multiply given differential equation with a function What is the name of the function? Known as integrating factor. have you heard that integrating factor already? Yes. When we are solving linear differential equations, we came across that integrating factor. So let us see how to find that integrating factor. So let us revise our definition. M dx plus n dy equals to 0 is the given differential equation. So we are checking for exactness. What is the condition to check exactness? Dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. If this condition fails, then the given differential equation is said to be non-exact, and in such case what we are going to do? We will find a function called integrating factor. What we will find? We will find integrating factor, and we multiply the given differential equation with a integrating factor on both sides. What we will do? We multiply given differential equation with integrating factor on both sides. When we multiply, the non-exact reduces into exact. Now we will see the methods to reduce non-exact into exact, that is to find integrating factors. How to find integrating factor? Is there any specific procedure? Let us see. There are 4 different cases for which integrating factors are predefined. Let us see them one by one. The first case is, if m and n are homogeneous functions, then the differential equation m dx plus n dy is also said to be homogeneous, and in that case the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. So what is the integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. When this is integrating factor? If m and n are homogeneous. This is first case. See the second case. So if the given differential equation m dx plus n dy equals to 0, if you can write it in the form, see the form, y into function of xy into dx plus x into function of xy into dy, y into f of xy into dx plus x into g of xy dy equals to 0. If you are able to express the given differential equation in this form, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. What is the integrating factor then? 1 by mx minus ny. These two are specifically discussing about a particular type of differential equation. What is the first one? The first case is discussing about homogeneous differential equation. If m and n are homogeneous functions, then differential equation is said to be homogeneous, and the homogeneous differential equation can be solved by integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. So find integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny and solve the differential equation. If the given differential equation can be expressed in this form, y into f of xy into dx plus x into g of xy into dy equals to 0. If you can express the given differential equation in this form, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. Let us see another 2 cases. Case 3. So what is case 3? If you see, since differential equation given is non-exact, it does not satisfy the necessary sufficient condition. So therefore, dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So we can find their difference, and that difference will be non-zero. So I am finding the difference between dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, and I am dividing that difference with n, and the resultant, if is a function of x only, then the integrating factor is e power integral f of x dx. So listen carefully once again. So find the difference between dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Divide that difference with n. Then the result should be function of single variable x or a constant. Then integrating factor will be e power integral f of x dx. Similarly, the fourth case is, find the difference between dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. Divide that with m. 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. If this results into a function of a single variable y, then the integrating factor is e power integral g of y dy. If you identify, if you are able to understand clearly, these two are nothing but the integrating they are similar to the integrating factors that we calculate in linear differential equation form, Bernoulli's differential equation form. So all these four cases covers homogeneous differential equation form, linear differential equation form, Bernoulli's differential equation form. So if you consider exact and non-exact or superior methods when compared with remaining methods of solving first order first degree differential equation. So when a differential equation is given to you, you can directly check whether it is exact or not. If it is exact, you can solve. If it is not exact, there are four different cases in which we can reduce it into exact and solve. Okay? So far we have seen four different cases in which we can reduce non-exact differential equation into exact equation. How? By finding and multiplying with integrating factor. What is the first case? M and N are homogeneous. Then integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. What is the second case? The given differential equation is represented as y into f of x by dx plus x into g of x by dy equals to 0. So then integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. Third case is 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. If you calculate this and the result is a function of a single variable x, let us say f of x, then the integrating factor is e power integral f of x. Fourth case is 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. If you calculate this and the result is a function of y only, then in that case the integrating factor will be e power integral g of y dy. So these are the four cases in which a non-exact differential equation can be converted into exact differential equation by calculating the suitable integrating factor. Let us see problems. Okay? First problem. Solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equals to 0. So as we are discussing exact, non-exact, we will try in that method only. Let us compare with the standard form. What is the standard form? M dx plus n dy equals to 0. So compare with m dx plus n dy equals to 0. When you compare, you will get m equals to x square y. And what is n? X cube plus y cube. Am I right? No, I am wrong. Why, sir? You are omitting the sign. If you see dy, what is the coefficient of dy? Minus of x cube plus y cube. So you should put a minus here. So what is your m? M is x square y. What is your n? Minus of x cube plus y cube. So what we want to check? We want to check whether dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Let us calculate. When I am differentiating with respect to y, x is constant, so x square is constant. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1, so dou m by dou y is x square. Come to the dou n by dou x. When I am differentiating with respect to x, y is constant, y cube is constant, and constant derivative is 0. So y cube derivative is 0. X cube derivative is 3x square. So, and there is a minus before. So minus 3x square, final answer is. What is the final answer? Minus 3x square. Dou m by dou y is x square. Dou n by dou x is minus 3x square. Are they equal? No. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. When the condition fails, we say the given differential equation is non-exact. Therefore, let us write this as equation 1. 1 is non-exact. When the given differential equation is non-exact, what is the next step? We want to reduce it into exact. How? By finding integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? What is the integrating factor? In which case it comes? It comes under the first case. If you see, x square into y is a function of degree 3. If you see n, x cube degree 3, y cube degree 3. So all m and n have same degree. So this is homogeneous. M is a homogeneous function, n is a homogeneous function. Since m and n are homogeneous functions, this comes under case 1. Since m and n are homogeneous, so the present differential equation comes under case 1. What is the integrating factor for case 1? Integrating factor IF, abbreviated integrating factor IF is 1 by mx plus ny. What is the integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. Let us calculate what is mx plus ny. What is m? X square y. Into x. What is n? You should remember the sign also. Minus of x cube plus y cube. Into y. Mx plus ny. Simplify this. X square into x, x cube y minus x cube y minus y cube into y, y power 4 minus y power 4 plus x cube y minus x cube y 0 cancels. So what remains? So what is your integrating factor? What is? It is 1 by mx plus ny. Therefore, integrating factor is equals to 1 by minus y power 4 or minus 1 by y power 4. So our integrating factor is minus 1 by y power 4. So integrating factor calculated. What to do next? After calculating the integrating factor, multiply the given differential equation. What is the given differential equation? Equation 1. You multiply the given differential equation with the integrating factor on both sides. So I am multiplying 1 with the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Minus 1 by y power 4 on both sides. So then I will get 1 differential equation 1 given equation into integrating factor. So that implies minus 1 by y power 4 into x square y dx minus bracket open x cube plus y cube bracket close dy. This is integrating factor into differential equation equals to 0 into any number 0. So I multiplied the given differential equation with the integrating factor. Simplify it. So if you simplify, what will be the coefficient of dx? X square y into minus 1 by y power 4 minus x square by y cube into dx. Minus into minus becomes plus. If you multiply this minus with this minus plus, and what remains? Y power 4, x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4. Y cube, y power 4 cancels. What remains? Okay, this is my equation 2. So how this equation 2 came? Multiplying the given differential equation with the integrating factor. So given differential equation is non-exact, therefore I am calculating an integrating factor. After multiplying a given differential equation with integrating factor, I get this result. Now this is exact. This is exact. Prove it. Let us say this is M1. And this is N1. Already M and N we already used. So new symbols M1, N1. So dou M by dou Y. I am differentiating with respect to y, so minus x square is constant, 1 by y cube, what is the derivative of 1 by y cube? Y power minus 3, what is the derivative of y power minus 3? What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So 1 by y cube, derivative is minus 3 divided by y power 4. So if you simplify, 3x square by y power 4. So what is dou M1 by dou y? So 3x square by y power 4. Similarly, dou n by dou x. Dou N1 by dou x. I am differentiating N1 with respect to x. So y is constant, 1 by y is constant, constant derivative is 0. So second term derivative is 0. Coming to the first term, y is constant, so 1 by y power 4 is constant. So by y power 4 is as it is. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now, are they same? Dou M by dou Y, dou N by dou X, are they same now? Yes. Therefore, the second differential equation is exact. If you see, first differential equation is non-exact. This is the given differential equation which is non-exact. So, I calculated integrating factor and multiplied with the given differential equation. Resultant differential equation is proved as exact. So 1 is converted into 2. 2 is exact. I know how to solve exact. So I will solve now second differential equation. What is the solution for exact differential equation? Can you recall? M dx plus n dy equals to 0 is exact. Then what is the general solution? Integral m dx plus integral n dy equals to 0. When you are integrating with respect to x, y should be taken as constant, and when you are integrating with respect to y, x terms should be deleted. So we will integrate second equation and we obtain the solution for the given differential equation. So I am writing the second equation now. Minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. This is the second equation. Equation number 2 is this, which is exact. We proved that this is exact. So we will solve now. We will apply the general solution of exact to this. So what is the solution? the general solution is integral m dx plus integral n dy. What we are doing? Just writing integral symbol here and here. That is the solution. But there are conditions. What are the conditions? When you are integrating with respect to x, y is constant. Okay. And when you are integrating with respect to y, x terms should be deleted. Should not be there. Okay. So when you integrate this, 1 by y cube is constant, x square integral is x cube by 3. So by integrating on both sides, I will get minus 1 by y cube is constant, x square integral is x cube by 3. Over first term integral. See the second term. There we should not include x. So this is the term having x. Remove it. What remains then? 1 by y. Integral of 1 by y is nothing but log y. So our integration is completed. So you add integrating constant c. So this is the general solution for given differential equation. Sir, this is solution for equation number 2. I want to find solution for equation number 1. Is it a solution for equation 1 also? Yes. Why? What is the difference between first and second equations? Only integrating factor. I am multiplying both sides with integrating factor. That means I am not changing at all. If I only change one side, then equation changes. But I am doing the same change on both sides. That means equation remains same and equation remains valid. So solution of second differential equation is also a solution for first differential equation. Therefore, this is the general solution for given differential equation. Okay? Let us see another problem. We have seen a problem now on case 1. Let us see another problem. See this differential equation. We want to solve this. We will check whether it is exact or not. If it is not exact, we will use integrating factor. Okay? Solution. So compare with m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So if I compare, what I will get? M equals to y minus xy square. What is the n? N equals to x plus x square y. Wrong. We have to include the sign also. What is the sign here? Minus. So what is n? Minus of x plus x square y. So what we want to check? Dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. Are they equal? We want to check this. So let us calculate. When I am differentiating with respect to y, x is constant, y square derivative is 2y. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Come to dou n by dou x. I am differentiating with respect to x. So minus of 1 plus x square derivative is 2x into y. This is 1 minus 2xy. This is minus of 1 plus 2xy. Let us further multiply inside. Minus 1 minus 2xy. Are they same now? Please, you don't correct anything. Whatever we have calculated is right. This is plus 1 minus 2xy. This is minus 1 minus 2xy. Are they same? No, they are not same. Therefore, it is not exact. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. Hence, so one differential equation 1 is non-exact. After knowing that it is non-exact, we want to convert that into exact. For that we have to find the integrating factor. Let us see the equation once again. Y minus xy square, we can take y common and we can write y into 1 minus xy dx plus, minus x plus x square y. We can take x common there, then we will get, so if you take x common in the second term, we will get 1 plus xy, 1 plus xy. So the given differential equation can be put in the form of y into f of x comma y dx plus x into g of xy dy. So the differential equation given can be put in the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy. So this is in case 2. What is the integrating factor for case 2? 1 by mx minus ny. Therefore, the integrating factor is equals to 1 by mx minus ny. So calculate what is mx minus ny. Mx minus ny equals to, you know already m, this is your m, I am multiplying that with x, so xy into 1 minus xy, ny minus xy into 1 plus xy. So if you take xy common, 1 minus xy minus 1 minus xy. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels, minus xy becomes minus 2xy multiplied with xy. So finally minus 2 into x square y square. So what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So therefore, integrating factor is minus 1 by 2 x square y square. After knowing the integrating factor, what we have to do? We have to multiply the given differential equation with the integrating factor on both sides. So equation 1 is given differential equation, I am multiplying that with integrating factor on both sides. So what I will get? Minus 1 by 2 x square y square minus 1 by 2 x square y square minus 1 by 2 x square y square into, write the given differential equation. Y minus xy square dx minus x plus x square y dy equals to integrating factor into 0. Integrating factor into 0 is 0. So simplify term by term. Don't write direct answers. Simplify term by term. Y into integrating factor becomes minus 1 by 2 x square. Y cancels in y square. So denominator is remains with y. Minus into minus plus. xy square, if you multiplied with minus 1 by 2x square y square, if you multiply with minus 1 by 2x square y square, the simplified one will be x cancels in x square, y square cancels in y square, what remains is 1 by 2x. So this is the product of integrating factor with the first term. Now you multiply the integrating factor with the second term, minus into minus becomes plus, x divided by 2x square y square plus x square y by 2x square y square, x square cancels, 1 by 2y. So after multiplying the given differential equation with integrating factor, this is the resultant. So now we have to check this is exact. Original equation is non-exact. So we are multiplying that with integrating factor. So we have to prove the resultant is exact. So what is m1 here? 1 by 2x square y plus 1 by 2x. There is a minus here. So dou m1 by dou y will be, if I differentiate with respect to y, 1 by 2x is constant, constant derivative is 0, second term derivative becomes 0. First term minus 1 by 2x square is constant, derivative of 1 by y minus 1 by y square. So I will get 1 by 2x square y square. Okay. N1 will be this term, 1 by 2xy square plus 1 by 2y. Okay, this is n1. Dou n by dou x I want to calculate. This implies dou n by dou x. Instead of n I am writing n1. Already we have used m and n. So m1, n1, new symbols. So what is dou n1 by dou x? I am differentiating with respect to x. So y constant, y terms are constant. So here n1 with x, I am differentiating n1 with x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So I will get minus 1 by, and 1 by 2y is constant, constant derivative is 0. So given differential equation 1 is non-exact. If a given differential equation is non-exact, we have to convert that into exact by finding suitable integrating factor. Let us see the first differential equation given. We can write this differential equation into y into, if we take y common, we get y into 1 minus xy into dx minus x take, if you take x common, minus x into 1 plus xy into dy equals to 0. So the given differential equation can be put in the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equals to 0. So when the given differential equation can be put in this form, the integrating factor will be 1 by mx minus ny. So the given differential equation comes under non-exact case of 2. So when we do this, mx minus ny will be, what is your m? Y into 1 minus xy. So I am multiplying m with x. So this is mx minus ny. What is your n? Your n is having a minus already. So minus into minus becomes plus, and if I multiply that with y, xy into 1 plus xy. Therefore, mx minus ny will be xy into 1 minus xy plus xy plus 1 plus xy. So if you take xy common, 1 minus xy plus 1 plus xy. Minus xy plus xy cancels there. So what remains is 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 into xy, 2xy. So therefore, integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny equals to 1 by 2xy. So, after finding the integrating factor, what we have to do? We have to multiply given differential equation with the integrating factor on both sides. So, let us write 1 into integrating factor. So, what I am doing here? I am multiplying the given differential equation with the integrating factor on both sides. So, I will get 1 by 2xy into y into 1 minus xy dx minus x into 1 plus xy dy. Equals to 0. So when I multiply integrating factor with a given differential equation, I will get, so if you see y get cancel, what remains is 1 by 2x minus xy by 2xy. So xy 2xy, what remains? 1 by 2. So when you multiply 1 by 2xy inside, x cancels, y by 2. So when you multiply 1 by 2xy inside, minus x by 2xy, x cancels, 1 by 2y. I am writing this minus as it is. If you multiply this x inside x, x cancels 1 by 2y plus x into xy, x square y by 2xy. Y cancels, what remains is x by 2. This is my second differential equation. So, given differential equation is non-exact, I have calculated integrating factor and I am multiplying the given differential equation with the integrating factor. So, when I multiply the given differential equation with integrating factor, resultant differential equation is this. Is this exact? Yes. Let us prove this, it is exact. So, m1 is 1 by 2x minus y by 2. What happens to dou m1 by dou y? Dou m1 by dou y, if I differentiate with respect to y on both sides, so this is only having x. 1 by 2x is constant, derivative 0. And I am differentiating with y, so minus 1 by 2. Derivative of dou m1 by dou y minus 1 by 2. What is n1? Minus 1 by 2y minus x by 2. Dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. I want to find dou n by dou x. When I am differentiating with respect to x, y is constant, 1 by 2y is constant, derivative of constant is 0. What remains? Minus x by 2. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so minus 1 by 2. So both are same. Therefore, this differential equation in 2 is exact. Therefore, equation 2 is exact. Differential equation 2 is exact. So, from the given non-exact differential equation, we obtained a exact differential equation. How to solve this exact differential equation? So, integrate term by term, that's it. So, how to integrate? Therefore, the general solution is integral m dx, integral 1 by 2x minus y by 2 into dx plus integral n dy minus of 1 by 2y plus x by 2 minus of 1 by 2y plus x by 2. So, the general solution is obtained by integrating term by term, and when you are integrating term by term, what is the condition we have to follow? When you are integrating with respect to x, treat y as constant, and when you are integrating with respect to y, x terms should be deleted. So, do it. 1 by 2x, integral is 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x is log x minus y is constant. So, y by 2 is a constant. What is the integral of y by 2? Constant, put it aside, integral of 1 is x. So, xy by 2 plus into minus minus. So, what you have to do? When you are integrating with respect to y, x terms should not be there. So, this should be omitted. So, what remains then? 1 by 2y, 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by y log y equals to c. What is c? Integrating constant. So, this is your solution. So, 1 by 2 you can take common. So, you can write log x minus log y minus xy equals to 2c. So, this is the solution. You can further simplify it into a beautiful form, but it is okay. This is our solution for given differential equation. So far we have seen two cases of non-exact differential equations. In the first form, the equation given is homogeneous, so the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. In the second equation, the differential equation given is in the form of y into function of xy into dx plus x into function of xy into dy. So, the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So, let us see the remaining two cases. This is the third problem on non-exact differential equations. Let us first confirm that it is non-exact, and then we discuss about its integrating factor. What is the given differential equation? 2x into log x minus xy dy plus 2y into dx equals to 0. You should write it in the form of m dx plus n dy. Dx should be written first. So, rewrite it as 2y dx plus 2x log x minus xy into dy equals to 0. You put it in the form m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Let us write this is equation 1. So if I compare with m dx plus n dy equals to 0, m will be 2y, and what is n? 2x log x minus xy. So what is the condition we want to check? We want to check for exactness. What is the condition? Dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Let us check. Let us calculate dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. What is dou m by dou y value? What is dou n by dou x value? You need to apply UV rule, product rule of differentiation. 2 into x log x, x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x 1 minus derivative of xy. Don't apply product rule. Y is constant, so derivative of x is 1. When I am differentiating with respect to x, y is constant. Only thing to differentiate is x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so minus y. So x cancels. So this is 2 into 1 plus log x minus y. Are they both same? Definitely not. Therefore, given differential equation is non-exact. Therefore, 1 is non-exact. Okay. Given differential equation is non-exact. So we convert this into exact. We will find integrating factor. What is the suitable integrating factor for this? Is this given differential equation a homogeneous equation? Is m and n are homogeneous? M is having only one term, 2y. It is homogeneous, nothing, there is no issue in this. M is homogeneous. Come to n. N is having 2x log x minus xy. Here xy is a term of degree 2. And x into log x, for log x we cannot calculate the degree. So therefore this is not homogeneous. So this won't come under case 1. Okay, clear? This will not comes under case 1 because n is not homogeneous. So can we write it in case 2? If you want to write it in case 2, it should be represented in a form y into function of xy into dx, okay, y into function of xy dx plus x into function of xy dy. So the second term is not in the suitable way, okay. So this won't come in case 2 also. It won't come in case 1, it won't come in case 2. So what we have to do? We will search for either case 3 or for case 4. So in case 3 and in case 4, what we are doing? We are finding the difference between the derivatives. What is the difference between dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x? Let us calculate. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to 2 minus the entire dou n by dou x, 2 into 1 plus log x minus y. Okay, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Find the difference. 2 minus 2 plus 2 log x minus y. 2 minus 2 minus 2 log x plus y. what remains? Minus 2 log x plus y. Now this difference minus 2 log x plus y, I want to divide this difference with either m or with n. Either m or with n. Which one is better to divide the result? So I want to divide this with either m or with n. Which one is convenient? M or n? Tell me which one is convenient? Which one you are expecting? I am dividing with n. What I am dividing with? I am dividing with n. So 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equals to, I am dividing with n. So minus 2 log x plus y divided by, what is the n? 2x log x minus xy. If you simplify this, what you will get? Can you tell me? Take minus x common in the denominator. What remains? If you take minus x common in the denominator, you will remain with minus 2 log x plus y. So numerator denominator cancels and the result is, what is the result? Minus 1 by x. So what is the integrating factor now? If 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is a function of x, then integrating factor is e power integral f of x dx. Let us write this as f of x. Let us write minus 1 by x as f of x. Then what is the integrating factor? E power integral f of x dx is the integrating factor. So e power integral minus 1 by x dx. Am I right? Yes, f of x is minus 1 by x. So when I integrate, minus 1 is constant, 1 by x integral is log x. So I will get e power minus log x. So that minus can be written as x power minus 1. So what remains is 1 by x. So what remains? Our integrating factor becomes 1 by x. So after knowing integrating factor, you multiply the given differential equation with the integrating factor. So 1 into integrating factor becomes 1 by x into the given differential equation. 2x log x minus xy dy plus 2y dx equals to 0. So given differential equation is multiplied with integrating factor. So simplify this. First you write dx coefficient. So you will get 2y by x into dx plus 2 log x minus y into dy equals to 0. So this is my second equation, which is the result of multiplying the given non-exact into integrating factor. Now this becomes exact. What is m dash or m1? 2y by x. What is n1? 2 log x minus y. Am I right? N1 is 2 log x minus y. Find dou m by dou y. Two by x. Dou n1 by dou x. Y constant, derivative of constant is 0. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Therefore, 2 is exact. So what is the general solution of exact differential equation? How to get? How to write? Integrate term by term. So write the second differential equation and put integral symbol there for each term. That's all. So the general solution is integral 2y by x dx plus integral 2 log x minus y dy. Equals to 0. What is the condition? When you are integrating with respect to x, y is constant. And when you are integrating with respect to y, no x terms. So when you do this integration, you will get so y is constant, 2y is constant, derivative of 1 by x is we are not differentiating, we are integrating. So integral of 1 by x is log x. Next, no x terms should be there. So omit this one. Minus y integral is minus y square by 2 equals to c. So this is my solution. Okay. So we have seen another non-exact differential equation. So this is the given differential equation. First you have written this in the m dx plus n dy form. What is m? 2y. What is n? 2x log x minus xy. So we have checked whether dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. So they are not equal. Therefore differential equation is non-exact. After knowing that it is non-exact differential equation, we are finding integrating factor. As this does not come in homogeneous or case 2, we are checking for either case 3 or case 4. So what are case 3 and case 4? In non-exact case 3 and case 4, we have to find the difference between the derivatives. What is the difference between the derivatives? I calculated here. So after getting this difference, we have to decide whether to divide with n or divide with m. I am dividing this with n. When I divided the difference with n, the result is a function of x only. So in the result, I am getting only one variable x. So I am calling that function as f of x. So what is the integrating factor? E power integral f of x. So if I simplify, I get 1 by x. After knowing the integrating factor, multiply with both sides with the first equation given. So you are getting the second differential equation. This is exact. 1 is non-exact, but 2 is exact. So we are checking whether 2 is exact or not. Yes, it is exact. So we are solving it. Okay. Let us see one more example. solve the differential equation y power 4 plus 2y dx plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x dy equals to 0. Okay, let us try this differential equation with exact and non-exact cases. Compare with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Compare with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So we will get m equals to y power 4 plus 2y. What is n? xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x is my n. Okay. After knowing m and n, find the derivatives. What we want to find? Dou m by dou y, and also we want to find dou n by dou x. What is the derivative? Dou m by dou y. Differentiate m with respect to y. Y power 4 derivative is 4y cube. 2y derivative is 2. Dou n by dou x. Y cube minus 4. Are they same? No. They are not same. Therefore, differential equation given is non-exact. Dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So, differential equation 1 is non-exact. Once you know that it is non-exact, we want to find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Is it in homogeneous form? No. M has two terms, y power 4, 2y. What is the power of y here? 4. What is the power of y here? 1. So they are not same, powers are not same. M is not homogeneous. So not in case 1. Is it in case 2? No, it is not in case 2, because I can take y common here, but I cannot take x common here, because this term is not having any x. So this is not in case 1, not in case 2. So either it comes in case 3 or it comes in case 4. So we have to find the difference between the derivatives. We have to find the difference between the derivatives. So let us find dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y, 4y cube plus 2 minus, what is dou n by dou x? Y cube minus 4. Find the difference. The difference is 4y cube minus y cube. 4 minus 1, 3y cube. 2 minus minus 4. What is that? 2 plus 4, 6. So I have calculated the difference. Now we want to divide this difference with either m or with n. Which one is better here? See the difference. Difference is 3y cube plus 6. Okay. With which it is convenient to divide m or n. I prefer m. So when I prefer m, I should calculate this. When I am differentiating, when I am dividing with m, you should start dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So what happens to 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y? Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is minus 3y cube plus 6 by m. What is your m? Y power 4 plus 2y. Okay. So then what we have to do? Simplify this. In the numerator take common 3. In the denominator take common y. Take y as common. So y cube plus 2 cancels. So what remains? Minus 3 by y. So when I calculated 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, this calculation results into minus 3 by y, which is a function of y only. Only one variable is there. So let us say this is g of y. Then the integrating factor is e power integral g of y dy. E power, what is g of y? Minus 3 by y. Dy. So if you integrate it, e power minus 3 is constant, integral of 1 by y is log y. This minus 3 can be written in the power of y. So I will get y power minus 3 or nothing but 1 by y cube. So what is the integrating factor? 1 by y cube. After finding integrating factor, multiply the given differential equation with integrating factor. So what I will get? 1 by y cube into given differential equation, y power 4 plus 2y into dx, plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x. So integrating factor is multiplied with a given differential equation. So simplify this. Y power 4 by y cube, what is it? Y power 4 by y cube is y plus 2y by y cube, y by y cube. This is coefficient of dx. So 1 by y cube is multiplied with these two terms, dx over. Next, go to the second term, n. So I forgot to write dy here. So multiply 1 by y cube with that. So what I will get? Xy cube into y cube, 1 by y cube. Y cube gets cancelled. So what remains? X. 1 by y cube into second term, 2y power 4. Numerator y power 4, denominator y cube. So what I will get? Minus 4x by y cube, nothing to cancel. So write as it is, minus 4x by this is my equation number 2. And this equation 2 is exact. Let us check. M1 is y plus 2 by y square. What is dou m1 by dou y. What is the condition for exactness? Dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Let us verify dou m1 by dou y. Let us verify dou m1 by dou y. What I will get? 1 derivative of 1 by y square, derivative of y power minus 2 into y power minus 3. So minus 4 by y cube. Similarly, n1 is x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube. So dou n by dou x, dou n1 by dou x is, we are differentiating with respect to x. 1 here, 0 here, and minus 4 by y cube there. So what is the final answer? 1 minus 4 by y cube. Are they both same? 1 minus 4 by y cube, 1 minus 4 by y cube. Therefore, 2 is exact. When you know that this differential equation is exact, we find its solution. What is the solution? Integrate term by term. So, the general solution is write the differential equation 2 and integrate. Integral y plus 2 by y square. Integral y plus 2 by y square into dx plus again integral x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube, x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube. dy. So what are the conditions? When you are integrating with respect to x, y is constant, and when you are integrating with respect to y, x terms should not be there. So integrate. Let us integrate. So y constant means y square is also constant. This entire term is constant. Constant is written as it is. So what is the integral of 1? X. Okay. Here x terms should be omitted. So you should delete this term x and this term having x. So what remains? Remains is plus 2y. Integral of plus 2y is y square equals to integrating constant c. So this is our general solution. So let us see once again. We were given a differential equation. We want to solve this using exact or non-exact. So compared with m dx plus n dy equals to 0, m value is the y power 4 plus 2y, n value is xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x. To check the condition dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x, we calculated dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Both are not same. Therefore, this equation is non-exact. If this is non-exact, I want to find its integrating factor. So I calculated this one, 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. This is case 4 of non-exact differential equations. So case 4, so when I calculated this, the result is a minus 3 by y, which is a function of single variable y. So I am calling this as zy. So integrating factor is e power gy, e power integral zy. So what is the answer? 1 by y cube. After calculating the integrating factor 1 by y cube, I am multiplying that integrating factor with a given differential equation. So the given differential equation 1 is reduced into 2. So this equation 2 is exact. So here we are checking whether 2 is exact or not, and we are getting 2 is exact. So after knowing that is exact, this is exact, we are finding the general solution. So in this way, a non-exact differential equation is reduced into exact equation and solved. So with this, I complete non-exact differential equations. Okay, we will see another topic in the next class. Thank you all.